Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the measurement units on your Oura Ring 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Oura app, and then make sure that the app has been paired with your ring. And after that, we're going to open up this button with 3 bars, and then we're going to press settings and then press units. So here you have metric units or imperial units, so like miles, and this is kilometers. So you select any option that you want, and after that you can return and the units will be measured in whatever option you just selected. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.